SuperSteers. This is Nathaniel here with 4RVFun.com. Today we're working on a 2019 Tiffin Allegro on an F53 chassis. This customer is coming and complaining about a lot of body roll, and also just as he's driving down the road, his handling is really poor. Let me show you what we did to solve this problem. So first, the customer is complaining that he again had really bad sway. So as you can see from factory, these F53 chassis come with a standard sway bar, but it's just not enough. So what we did is we added an 1.5-inch Roadmaster sway bar. Now, Roadmaster states that for every 1/8 inch, it increases 30% stiffness. So you do the math, that is a lot better than just the standard. It increases it by a ton. Also, it has the polyurethane bushings rather than the rubber bushings. So again, that makes it so that it's a stiffer and doesn't allow that body roll that the customer was complaining about. Second, this customer was complaining just that his handling was poor, that he was just fighting the steering wheel. A lot of customers come in thinking that they need a steering stabilizer, which they might, but that's not the first place you start. First, you go with a track bar. Now, what this track bar does is it attaches from the frame onto the rear suspension. And what it stops is this rear suspension from shifting back and forth. It allows up and down movement, but it doesn't allow that shift. So that as you're in heavy wind, it doesn't shift. A truck passes you, it doesn't shift. Or if you're rut tracking, you pop in and out of the rut rather than following that rut. So what that does, it just makes the handling way better. You're not white knuckling the road or anything. They're just much more comfortable ride. Alright guys, we just got back from taking this RV out on its test drive after we installed the suspension, and it handled great. So this suspension upgrade really makes a huge difference for you. It'll make driving these RVs stress-free. So check us out on our website at 4RVFun.com. Also like, share, and subscribe to this video on Facebook and YouTube. And always remember to let us take the hassle of RVing for you.